Hello, Wildcats. It is Tuesday, September 9th. Yesterday, we reviewed the principles of graphic design. The first two we were looking at were, line and shape. Today, we're going to put those together for what I'm calling the sandwich challenge. All right. So, you've already clicked on your assignment today because you're watching this video. So, I'm going to go ahead and click on it here. You're making a copy of this Google slide, and this is where you're going to do your assignment. Okay. So it's called the sandwich challenge. And basically, what you're going to do is you're going to use lines and shapes to recreate this sandwich, which is right here. So here's the original, right? So if you click on it, you'll notice that it's outlined pretty big. That's important because we're going to need to click on it eventually to delete the original so that our work is what remains. So pay attention to the lines, the colors, the shapes. You can choose different colors and stuff if you want. You can make it look different if you would like to, especially if you have done something like this in the past. You're welcome to spice it up a little bit. But here's the basic way that you're going to do it. So here's my example, okay? The tools you're going to use are going to be right up here. You can get to it in a couple ways. You can do insert and you can do lines and choose from different styles of lines, or an easy way to do it right here. This is the line tool. So one of the tools you're going to need is this polyline, and that's going to help make the shapes that you need for the sandwich. So for example, I'm going to click the polyline, and I'm going to make this the kind of edge of the bread. Okay, I'm going to click once, then click twice, and I'm basically tracing this shape with my polyline tool. And you're just clicking on the points. Once you have it, closed, then you can change the color. So you can go over here and let's say I want to make the color yellow. Okay. Well, it's kind of hard to tell because I'll just make it dark kind of so you can see. Okay. So I have one piece done. So what I'm doing is I'm going to go over and trace everything. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to choose the polyline and I'm going to click, drag it to that corner, click, drag it to that corner, click, and drag it to that. Well, I guess I shouldn't say corner, what angle? All right, and then pick the color that you want. Pick a lighter yellow. And I'm just going to keep doing that for all the things that I see here. When I get to maybe this flag here, I might not need a polyline, so I'm going to do just a regular line. And I'm going to start at the top and just drag it down. Now that might be kind of skinny, right? So you can come up here to the line weight and you can choose to make it a little bit bigger. Okay. You can also do shapes. So if you need to for that flag, you can come over here and insert the shape. They might not have necessarily a flag, but you can change the style if you want. Like if you want to add a shape, that's a little different, but I can just rotate it around and make my own version of a flag. That's fine too. Might change the color to like red. Like I said, it doesn't have to be exactly like that. Now, when you're done, and even during the process, one of the ways you can kind of check yourself is you can click not on the things that you've drawn, but on the big picture, and you can press delete, and it'll take the things that are not in your drawing away. So you can say, "Ooh, okay, I have some work to do there." When you delete it though, just come back over here to undo, and it'll come back and you can keep working on it. Okay. So I continued some of my lines on this one. So I wanted you to kind of see when I click on the picture and I delete, you can see that's getting closer. Now, mine's not going to be perfect. I mean, I'm trying it just like you guys. So, try the best you can. It's your first attempt at it. And I want you to do the whole thing, which is why I'm giving you 2 days. And then you should have your finished product. Again, it doesn't have to be the same exact colors. This slide is for you to create on. So don't forget you're using your line button up here and using polylines. I mean, you could use a scribble. You could test out other lines too. I'm just showing you what I was kind of messing with. And then you can also get to the shapes from there as well. Okay. When you have finished designing yours, don't forget to delete that picture and yours will be there to turn in. Okay. Last, just reminding you, it's due on Wednesday. So you have today and tomorrow to work on it. And then it'll be due Wednesday, by 11:59 p.m. So have fun, make something tasty, and I look forward to seeing your sandwich challenge. I will see you on Thursday, tomorrow, no, 2 days, yeah, for our next activity. All right, check your Canvas tomorrow and it'll just be a reminder for you and for this project, and you'll be able to submit on Canvas tomorrow on Wednesday. There'll be a button for you to upload your Google file onto the Canvas assignment. Okay? All right. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later.